just her. I'm going sort of retro now. The character is moving away from the goth and going more retro. She now dresses like the 70s. Gonna get my hair straightened. I'm gonna wear a little headband thing, and like a peace sign, all tie-dye clothing from now on, Crystal.
It's awesome.
And then say things like groovy, groovy, groovy. Well, yeah, instead of wonderful, wonderful. Now when the dogs do things I like, groovy, groovy. Now that'd be a good one if I could just kind of dress retro. That Artie was already, amazed by my strange clothing, which I think that jacket was from the 80s. If we can go back a little bit farther to the 70s, we'd go to the Cormeth Boutique. I bet they got 70s clothes there. And then my character can be real retro. Luna, good. Heel, good. Groovy, groovy, groovy. In your place. Good. She is at the ready. Good, 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 good. Luna, heel. Good. Heel. Oh, she's beautiful. I can tell. Good. In your place. She's doing absolutely perfect. Bye, girl.